I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. So the last time I did a Marley twist video, y'all really liked that video, because that video has like 5K views, and for me that's a lot of views for like a natural hair video on my channel. So I decided to do another one. But I mean, I had some struggles when I was trying to film the video because it rains every day here. Like, it's raining right now, but I got my light situation A1 today. But I wanted to show you guys how I got these chunky Marley twists. So you guys remember the last time I did a video doing twists, they were like smaller regular Marley twists. I would really actually consider these to be medium to chunky, but I'm gonna put chunky in the description box. So basically these are the twists, and I really am proud of them. Now in the back of my hair, like the last row at my nape, I have small twists, so you guys can see the difference in like the sizing. Some are bigger than the others, but you guys can see like this is really small compared to the rest of my head. This is just one twist and one row in the back because I don't want too much tension on the nape of my hair. I wanted them way bigger than this, but I wasn't able to do that. Now there is the rubber band method. Okay, really what happened was I was planning on doing the rubber band method because that's the method I have researched the most, but I wasn't able to find my rubber bands, so I ended up with these. Basically all I did was twist my hair and attach the Kankalon Marley hair to it, but you guys will see all that in the video. I just wanted to come on here and do an introduction because my hair looks so cute. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of these, you guys. This might be my thing. This is the same Marley hair that I used last time. So when I originally purchased this hair, I purchased 7 packs. I only used, I think, 4.5 of the packs. This time, this is all 7 packs, and it's about 2 twists per, it's like two of those strands combined per twist. I started off on freshly washed hair, but I used the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Leave-In Detangler, and I actually got this at like a FAMU natural hair event. But this is a detangling leave-in conditioner, and I actually really like this. It's very lightweight. My hair didn't feel heavy. It didn't make like my hair flaky or anything. It smells really clean and really fresh. So this was really good. But I did use a protein treatment before. Sorry for the long intro, guys. I'm just kind of in a chatty mood, but yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, so I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up because it took me a week. But first off, I'm gonna start with my hair. Majority of it is done, and I'm going to spray that coconut milk detangler into my hair. I slept with it overnight because I wanted to save this portion for you guys, but I was so close to not filming. But after I spray that and comb through my hair, I'm going to start sectioning off my hair. If you guys see, this section is pretty big. It's about like the length of my fingernail. I don't know, I just took my thumb and used that to gauge, but you'll just see how big you want it. And then I just brushed out my edges because these are chunkier twists. I do not want to lose my edges. That's why I wanted to do the rubber band process, because I heard it causes less tension, but this one still feels very secure. Like, my hair doesn't feel like it's gonna slip out, and as you guys can see, my hair is a lot shorter than it is the last video I did, but because I cut it off. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting my hair. So if you want to like do this in sections, you can like twist your whole head up like the night before to make it go faster, but I just wanted to show you guys on camera what I'm doing. So I am pre-twisting all the twists, so that way all I have to do is take the Marley hair and attach it to the twist. So in this clip you guys see me just twisting, but I actually took these out because I forgot that I started them with a braid. So because I have fine thin hair, it's usually easy for like twists like this to slip out of my hair, so I went back and I braided it probably about like not even an inch. I braided it a little bit and then I twisted it. So you can do that, or you can just simply twist the hair like this, but for me I felt more secure with starting my twist with a braid. But no matter which way you do it, you're still starting off with your hair twisted into sections first. So this is how it's gonna look. I think this is about maybe 20 twists. And this is the hair that I use. I think this is the Sensual Marley Hair, and I have it in the color 1. And I ended up using all 7 packs of this hair. So the first thing I'm doing here is kind of fluffing out the twists. As you can see, they come pretty uniformed, but it's really easy to pull it apart just to fluff it up, because I realized I wasn't going to be able to get like 3 strands of hair onto my hair, because it's just not, it just isn't going to work without having the rubber bands. So I'm just fluffing this apart, and I'm going to take 2 pieces of the Marley hair and combine them together. And I like to make them uneven, so you'll see like one piece will be longer than the other, and I do that because it just makes it easier when I'm twisting to the end to just be able to like comb it through. And then here I'm adding some of my Shea Butter. I do have a video about how I make my DIY Shea Butter. You guys can check that out. It'll be linked below and up in the cards. But here I start my twists off with braids. That is the only way I can anchor any additional hair to my head, is if I start it with a braid. So I use my hair as the 3rd strand and just add it in, braid it into there, and then twist it down. So as you guys can see, I just add the hair and I start twisting it down, and that's pretty much how I do. Just like in the last video, I'll add a little bit of more shea butter to the twist, because Marley hair is kind of dry, very similar to natural hair, so you want to make sure it's moist. You can use wax, gel, a butter, you can use whatever you would like. I just choose to use shea butter, but you can use whichever product you like. So here I am combing through the hair, and that's just so that way my ends can look really neat and uniformed. It's gonna keep repeating the process of, you know, fluffing out the hair, adding a little moisture to it, and attaching it to my twists. Honestly, this process can go by really fast if you just pre-twist your hair the night before and you have all your strands ready to go. But because I wanted to show you guys, it took me a little bit longer, but it's okay. I only have like 20 to do. So that's all you do. Like, it's super easy, very similar to doing regular Marley twists. It's just you add more hair. Right here, I was trying to show you guys that little piece of hair sticking out. What I'm doing here is taking that hair and kind of tucking it under the Marley hair so it doesn't stick out, and I just twist it down, so you don't have to worry about your hair frizzing up or anything like that. You just, you know, tuck it into the Marley hair, and it pretty much blends in seamlessly. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing, and it's really, really easy. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of it, and if I feel like there's anything else I need to explain, I will. But for now, just go ahead and watch. You know, it's just a couple simple steps. Twist your hair before, attach the hair to your twist, twist it down, make sure you have some type of, you know, moisturizing something on, and then twist your hair down and you are good to go.
You can't get me out your fucking head. Why you laying next to her in bed? Is it true that all your friends are dead? Can't keep track of all the shit I said. I know that you feel like you've been misled. Does she know you think that I'm the best? 'Cause baby, if you know that I'm the best,
just do this shit for fun. Make sure I'm a hit before I run. Can't keep track of all the shit I've done. Fade it, fade it, fade it. Off a hit or two. You know how this goes. This ain't nothing new. I know it always happens when you get this way, but I just can't stop myself.
I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. Can't stop the things I do. I lie.
I will never ever love you. I will never ever care about you. I will never ever love you. I will never ever want you like she does. I will only make you lose your trust. But if you want us,
Okay, so at this point it was actually getting hard to show you guys the process because I was reaching more of the center of my head, and I was also getting really tired. If I look like I was just not there in this video, it's because I was really tired. The weather was really bad and I wasn't supposed to be filming in a space as small as the one I'm filming in right here. But that's pretty much all I did to achieve these chunky Marley twists. And after I was done twisting the hair, I boiled some water, set the hair in the water, and trimmed the ends to make them look really nice and uniform, and that's it. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like, comment, share, subscribe on all my videos, and give this video a thumbs up because it took a lot for me to film it.
Oh, you're mine. Can't stop the things I do. I lie.
Welcome back to my channel for another natural video. I don't like that.